Metroopinion is a legitimate paid survey platform powered by Opinodo and SintAB, allowing users in 20-plus countries to earn cash or vouchers by sharing opinions on products and services. It's ideal for beginners seeking flexible side income. Average 50 cents to $5 per 5 to 20-minute survey, potentially $10 to $50 per month with consistency. No skills required. Payouts via PayPal or gift cards. Steps to get started. Sign up. Visit Metroopinion.com. Click Sign Up, enter email, use primary for invites, password, and demographics, age, location, interests. Verify email. Complete profile. Log in. Fill detailed info. Hobbies, shopping habits, to qualify for more surveys. Boosts earnings by 20 to 30%. Check invites. Monitor email and dashboard daily for surveys. Click links to start. First come, first served. Take surveys. Answer honestly. Complete 3-5 per week to build streak bonuses. Cash out. Reach $5 to $10 threshold. Withdraw to PayPal, instant, one click, or vouchers, Amazon, etc.